there friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Shadoow the Hedgehog Squishmallow, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by framing in the shape of the body. So from the middle, we're just going to curve this around, and we're going to kind of curve that in on the bottom. We just want to leave enough space on the side for the hair and the ear coming in behind. Let's start back on the top, and again we'll just round out the right side this time. So we're just going to curve this over and down, and again just tapering that in as we come down, ending that at the same height as the line on the left. We'll close off the bottom now, so we're just going to curve this across, flattening that out, connecting this together from each side. Let's frame in the details now. So coming down in the middle for the bridge of the nose, we're just going to curve this line across. Now to the right hand side, we're going to curve this line up. We'll do the exact same thing over on the left. Now in the middle for the nose, we're just going to draw in an arch line right in the center. We're going to draw in a sideways oval on the top for the highlight. And then now we can just color in our nose black. Let's round out the muzzle here. So we're just going to curve this over, pulling that in towards the center. And then we'll do the exact same thing over on the right, blending that together. Let's draw on the frown here. So on the right, we're just going to draw in a corner bracket. Now from the center, we're going to curve this around and down on a diagonal. Let's frame in around our eyes now. So on the left-hand side from that edge, we're just going to curve this around and up to the top. And again, we'll just end that at the same height. Now from that point, we're going to round this out. So we're going to tuck this out, down, and in towards the middle. On the right-hand side, replicating that, curving that out, down, and then back in to the center. On the top here, we're going to curve this out on a diagonal. We're just going to leave a gap from the side of the eye there. And then from that point, we're just going to tuck this back down and in on the side. Let's draw in the eyeballs now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, lining that up at the same height. Now directly in the middle for the pupil, just drawing in another circle, making the second one smaller. Let's come up on a diagonal now. We're going to draw in a smaller circle for the highlight. And then we'll just go ahead and color inside of our pupil black. Let's move in towards the middle. So coming up to the top, right in the center here, we're just going to curve that out on each side on a diagonal. Let's come down now for the tuft of hair in the middle. From the center, we're just going to curve a line that comes out on each side. And then now from that point, we're going to curve this back down to the bottom. We're going to end that at the same height. Coming back across to the side, we're going to curve that out, pulling that down on a diagonal. Again, moving across, curving that out, tucking that back in. Let's move underneath, curving that across one more time. Now from here, we're going to round this out. So we're going to tuck this in, over, and down in the middle. We'll replicate that on the right-hand side as well to close that off. Let's draw on our ears. So coming over on the left, leaving a gap, we're going to curve this out on a diagonal, rounding the top out, pulling that back in on the side. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now in the middle, let's replicate that shape as well. Now let's move behind tucking in the hair. So coming down on this line, we're going to curve this line out and across. From that point, we're going to pull this further down towards the side of the body there. And then moving out from that corner, we're just going to curve another line that comes into the side. Let's move underneath again. We're going to round this out, curving that across on each side. And now from that point, we're just going to pull this back around and in to the side. Now from that point on the top, curving this in to finish off our squishmallow. And that is it. That's how you draw shadow as a squishmallow. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.